Bonespurs Kiddy Boinker just pardoned the ex-El Presidente of the Honduras, Juan Hernandez. Senor Hernandez was serving a 45-year sentence for facilitating the trafficking of hundreds of tons of cocaine into the United States. Contrast that with Venezuela's cocaine production, which according to U.S. investigators is negligible. So why is Comrade Bonespurs Kiddy Boinker illegally bombing aquatic enthusiasts off the coast of Venezuela while letting an actual drug lord out of jail? Could it be possible that the emergence of a left-wing presidential candidate in the Honduras has the local 1% and American corporate interests freaked out about the possibility of having to pay taxes and their workers a living wage? Could this cause them to send Kiddy Boinker a large incentive to a foreign bank account to send Washington's personal favorite cheerleader back home to stir things up in favor of the not left-wing candidate? Has this ever happened before? The U.S. interfering with another country's elections?